welcome to my challenge for M3 assignment, build an AI vibe coded app for my organization. In about 5 minutes or less, I'm going to try to take the challenge to develop a vibe coded website with a few iterations, given gradually more complex prompts and hopefully more detail and something that is refined to my tastes and what I'm looking for for Gabe's avionics company. So first, on the left, you can see I'm using Cloud AI Sonnet 4 iteration, and I'm going to be building on the right pane here my website. So let's give this a try. Off of my screen, I'm going to put this on the right to copy and paste some prompts that I drafted. So first, we're going to start out really simple. I'm going to copy this and ask Lovable. We'll see how long it takes, but create a business portfolio website for my Gabe's avionics company. So let's see how it looks. Okay, very cool. It looks like it produced a nice landing page with some, developer lab type of background. Looks like some kind of laboratory. That's cool. I think that fits pretty well. We got a core services. Okay, it talks about different types of products. Looks like kind of product lines like we do flight controls, we do displays. That sounds is pretty good. Excellence in aviation electronics. Sweet. It's got some metrics, some numbers for you, like, hey, this is what we've completed and how to get in touch. Yes, this is the key thing. This is something I had in mind, like how to send a RFI, rough order magnitude, all that. Interestingly, I added that in my second iteration, but that's surprising to see it's already there without even me asking. But that's cool. Um, okay. So now that we have this, I'm going to further have a more detailed prompt. So this is my more detailed iteration here. Create a business portfolio website, include a way for customers to submit opportunity information, rough order magnitude, request for information, request for proposals, statement of work documents, make it comparable to a modern company that makes military certified, FAA certified, and AS 9100 compliant products. So a little more detail here, asking a lot for Lovable, but let's see what it does. Oh, interesting. Okay, it says in order to implement document functionality and store customer submissions, you'll need the backend capabilities. Okay, so it's recommending that I use some third-party Supabase. That's fine. I think this is part of the exercise to kind of see the limitations of the free version as a standalone, but um, okay, it's giving me a link. That's cool. But for the sake of this exercise, I think um, I'm just gonna iterate on this and make it a little more simplified. Maybe I was asking too much, but nonetheless, we're gonna say include a way for customers to submit to get quotes and access product brochures. That seems a little more simplified. Let's see how that works. Okay, so it looks like I got some results. Um, just to go through it quickly, it said it took my prompt and created a comprehensive avionics portfolio website matching the modern aerospace industry standards. So that's cool. It used some hardware, software, mill standard type of um, technical standards. So cool. Okay, this looks familiar. FA repair station. Interesting. Part 140. That's very good. So it looks like it queried the internet to find out. Okay, what kind of things would a typical avionics company provide? It did say like it's looking to refine and customize. Unfortunately, it says 0 free credits remaining today, which is fine. But regardless, I was gonna show you the typical next step. I was gonna use a stacking prompt in Claude Sonnet 4. So what I was gonna do, I was gonna go here to Claude and say something like, "You're a prompt expert. I'm building a business portfolio website in lovable.dev, and the main services that I offer are military certified, FAA certified, AS 9100 compliant avionics products. Please help me write a prompt for Lovable that can create a polished, intuitive website that rivals my competitors." So I'm kind of challenging. So let's go ahead and carry on regardless here. Okay, so like this is getting pretty good. Like if I prompt Lovable with this, it would get it to be a little bit more refined. But let's go through its output real quick and when it's complete for the sake of the exercise. Okay, this is for a serious player in aerospace defense. Cool. Just wants to be specific about certs. Make sure you got those keywords for the industry so that you can hang with your competitors and be taken seriously in the space as pretty serious space. So, all right, cool. It specified like these are kind of the typical color schemes, high contrast, smooth animations, something pretty polished. Okay, hero section's pretty important. Here's some of the specific stuff I already mentioned. Yeah, what certifications does the company hold? What's our history and expertise? That's good. This is pretty good. Technical features. Regardless, my plan was to take this prompt and paste it into, we'll try for exercise, for the sake of exercise. Paste it there. Okay, daily limit reach, no worries. Well, we tried. We got something pretty impressive with just a couple mouse clicks and a bit of input. So that's cool. So this is, in theory, this would be a great starting point for a startup like this company. But yeah, I think this exercise was worthwhile, and I'm gonna analyze it a little more.